American business. Trishaw. It's Michael. Michael is following us. We're in Singapore. This is called the Trishaw bike. Trishaw. I saw it. I thought it's the Jack. You know. So this is the Chinatown in Singapore. As they say, Singapore. No, Singapore. Singapore. Yun na. See, it's, you know why it's thriller? I don't know also. It's thriller. That man walking. The cars here are right-hand drive. So look at our the driving is on the left,
even the title.
and the one is on the right. You know, we drove the opposite way.